Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can swap crypto in Trust Wallet. So first of all, you need to make sure that you know that you cannot exchange cryptocurrencies on different blockchains. So you need to use the cryptocurrencies which are on the same blockchain, because you cannot change like Bitcoin to Dogecoin or Ethereum to Solana and so on and so forth. These are different blockchains and they cannot be exchanged. So to swap it, one method would be to go on swap right there and choose your coins, which you want to go ahead and swap between. And after this, you can go ahead and write down how much you want, and then you will see how much you will get, as you can see. And now you will see that the provider is Inch Network, 1inch Network, provider fee, as you can see, and max slippage. So max slippage is a higher slippage tolerance, can help transactions succeed, but it might lower the minimum received amount. And provider fee would be like a third-party factored thing, because it's like a provider like 1inch Network. You pay basically provider fee for them. Another way how you can go and exchange is go ahead and use those providers. So we click discover there. Now, for example, a decent one would be PancakeSwap. You just basically click on it, and then you will need to go ahead and connect your account to Trust Wallet. But basically, you can go ahead and use PancakeSwap, and this is all decentralized and it's way easier to transfer. But of course, there's always some fees, as always. So that's basically it, how you can swap it. You can swap it between here or discover some other tools. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.